Hello everybody and welcome to my new channel called Coding for New Beginners in Python. Now here in my channel we will learn about the coding language Python, and I want to quickly show you guys something. So here is my certificate of completing Python, and I am a certified Python developer. Here is my certificate of achievement. This is awarded to AlwaysMel, me, for completing my Python AI class. Now let's get started. Here we will start off with a little bit of the background in Python. This is just a tiny bit of a big background. So Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. So Python is a programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It's got its name from Monty Python comedy group. With an easy-to-understand style, Python became really popular for web development, data analysis, and more. It's now widely used by beginners and experts, making it one of the most popular programming languages today. Now, we got a brief look at what Python is, but now let's dig into it. So, what is Python? Python is a coding language that uses input and output to communicate with the computer. It uses the language to communicate with the computer. Input and output. So, input is the code you give into the computer, and the output is the answer to that code, the output of that code that comes out of the computer. And here's another way to define Python. Python is a general-purpose, interpreted, interactive, object-oriented, and high-level programming language. It is defined as object-oriented scripting language, a definition that blends support for the OOPs with an overall orientation towards scripting roles. So let's see why we use Python and what's so good about it that we use it for. It uses artificial intelligence, AI, and data analytics, the science of analyzing raw data to make conclusions about that information. Nextly, we have data visualization. And here we have many graphs, some pie graphs, and some charts, and some bar graphs. Now, let's see what else it's used for. It's also used for programming applications. Python applications have web development, software development, database access, game development, desktop application, education, network programming, and 3D graphics. Speaking of web development, Python is used for web development. Here we have CSS, PHP, SQL, Java, and there's some bar graphs in the back. Something's loading, 43%, and then we have game development. Now we have language development. Last but not least, search engine optimization, SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization, which has www, which uses performance measurement, ranking, search, content, links, target groups, and marketing. Now, let's see why we use Python. Why Python? Python is very beginner friendly. It's really easy if it's your first coding language, but it's also easy even if it's your second, third, fourth. And for example, here is a code to print Hello Python. Now, let's say you want to print Hello Python, and you don't know how to do that. It's very simple. Like I said, Python is very beginner friendly. So, how you use it is you use a print method. The print method prints anything you want it to. So when you use a print method, print, then you put round brackets, or you may call them parentheses. Then you put double quotes. You can also use single quotes. It gives out the same output. Then you write what you want to say. And for this example, it's Hello Python. So now let's enter it. It's going to print us Hello Python, exactly how we wrote it in our code. So I just want to quickly show you how simple and easy Python could be. It's the most popular in the machine learning world, like we said in our brief background. And then it has the most mature libraries. So libraries, as in your information from the code within the code is stored inside a library, and so are values from a variable. Now, it's very versatile and flexible. It's very flexible. It does whatever you want it to do. And another thing I forgot to tell you guys about is that at the end of a lesson, we always have 1, 2, or 3 questions, and then we answer those questions in our next video. So, question number 1 is, why is Python so popular? Like, why is it very, very popular? Why is it the most popular? Like we said here, it's the most popular in the machine learning world. We also said that in our brief background of Python. Nextly, what are variables? What are Python variables? I want you guys to tell me what this X means, what this arrow means, and what the 100 block is doing there. What do those symbols mean? So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Also, if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and ring the notification bell so you can know when I post a new coding lesson video. And that's it for today. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.